If you've been thinking about selling your Summit County property to take advantage of the way prices have moved over the course of the last 2 years, there are probably two main considerations that you have when thinking about selling. Well, stick around because in this video, I'm going to tell you about a program we've developed that will help you alleviate those two concerns. How you doing, everybody? It's Pete Deininger with the Breck Life Group at eXp Realty, and today I'm going to tell you about the two largest hurdles that sellers face in this challenging real estate market. Now, everybody is talking about how this is a perfect time to be a seller because there's so much buyer demand here in Summit County that you can list your property and sell it at almost any price. Well, that's partly true, but there are two main concerns that our sellers are facing today, and we at the Breck Life Group have come up with a program that will alleviate both of those concerns. The first concern is, how do I know that the buyer of my property is going to be qualified and approved? So we have put together a complete list of buyers ready, willing, and able. They've already met with local lenders, and we know for a fact that they are pre-approved to be able to complete a purchase at a specific price. So when we introduce buyers to specific properties, they are ready to go. They've already completed a loan application with a local lender, and we know that they are going to be able to perform on the purchase of your property. Now, the second and more concerning situation in this market is, with such limited inventory, if you're thinking about trading up or trading down in size to meet the needs of the changing dynamics of your family. You maybe need a little more room, or maybe the kids don't come as often as they once did and you're going to downsize. Whatever the case may be, it's challenging for some people to think about listing and selling their Summit County property and not knowing where they're going to move directly into a new property. So what we've come up with, not only will this complete list of buyers be pre-approved, we have a list of buyers that are completely flexible with the closing timeline for the sale of your property. If you want to have an extended 60, 90, 180 day closing, the buyer will still go through all the motions, all the due diligence to make sure that they are going to purchase your property, but they will allow for an extended closing. Or if it's better for you to know that we're going to complete the closing, but you'd like to stay in your home for 60 days or 90 days, we have a complete list of buyers willing to allow for a lease back from you. You would essentially lease back your property after the sale. It allows you to stay in your home while you're conducting your search for your replacement property. So if this sounds like a program you'd like to learn more about, reach out to us. We get tons of people reaching out with questions, and we are here to guide you through the process. So we look forward to seeing you here in Summit County. Thank you.